This is the first look at Pop! OS Cosmic Desktop Alpha 3 and it looks absolutely next level. Now, as we know, System 76 has been working on a brand new desktop environment for quite some time. It's built using the Rust programming language. This is an independent desktop environment similar to GNOME and KDE Plasma that offers a fresh desktop experience for Linux users. A few months ago, System 76 unveiled the Pop! OS Alpha build, allowing users to test out Cosmic Alpha 1. Now, at the time, there were many bugs and the UI was still under development. It looks like they have addressed many of those issues and released Alpha 3. Now, in this video, we are going to take a look at what's new in Cosmic Desktop Alpha 3. Now, as of now, you can try Cosmic Alpha 3, codenamed as Epoch 1, by installing Pop! OS 2404, or you can install it on your favorite distribution such as Fedora, Arch Linux, NixOS, OpenSUSE, and much more. Now, as you can see, I have installed the latest Pop! OS 2404, which comes with Cosmic Alpha 3. Now, this release brings many updates to Cosmic files, custom system fonts, as well as a variety of bug fixes and performance improvements. The built-in Cosmic applications have also been updated to the latest libcosmic release, which is a toolkit or framework based on Iced designed for creating applets and applications for the Cosmic desktop. Now let's start talking about the Cosmic settings. The Cosmic settings application now looks much more polished, with everything organized and much easier to navigate. Previously, it felt incomplete, but now they have added a few more experimental settings in the Appearance section. These allow you to customize your system font, monospace font, icons, and toolkit from the experimental settings. In addition, the power and battery now include a new power saving options. This feature allows you to automatically turn off the display and suspend the system to save some power. Since Cosmic Desktop is Variant only, it offers a new option in the display settings to scale the X11 window applications. Now, by default, this feature scales all X11 applications, which can make them blurry on high DPI screens. However, now you can render X11 applications at their native resolution by enabling this feature. This will also allow games to use the full screen resolution. Next up, Cosmic Files has received some major changes. You can now preview any file by pressing Ctrl plus spacebar, which gives you detailed information about the file type, size, date, and permissions. You can also preview images by simply selecting them and pressing the spacebar for a quick look. The file searching has also been improved, and search results are now displayed per tab. Additionally, you can now empty the trash by right-clicking on it from the sidebar, a small but useful change. And finally, Cosmic Files can now automatically mount the encrypted drives and run executable files such as app images without any extra steps. In Alpha 3, the Cosmic App Store has been renamed as Cosmic Store. This is the default app store for Cosmic Desktop, where you can download GUI applications from both the default repository and FlatHub. On the Explore page, you will notice a new section called Made for Cosmic. This section showcases community-created applications designed specifically for Cosmic. Developers need to add Cosmic to their upstream meta information categories for their applications to appear in this section. Cosmic Desktop Alpha 3 brings improvements to the network applet. When you wake up your computer from the sleep mode, or when your device loses its internet connection, the applet will now automatically reconnect to the last network you were connected to, so you won't have to manually select the network again. The applet remembers the most recent network and reconnects to it without any extra steps. Now, these are just a few of the notable changes in Cosmic Alpha 3. System 7.6 will continue shaping and refining the Cosmic desktop environment. For detailed change log of Alpha 3, check the link in the description for more information. Now, according to the Pop! OS community on Reddit, the stable release of Pop! OS 24.04 is expected to be released in March next year. Now, until then, if you can't wait to try out the Cosmic desktop, you can download and install Pop! OS 24.04 right now. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Ryle. I will see you in the next one.